Several Aussies have been wondering the best credit cards that they could apply for as a beginner. So if you're a beginner and you want to apply for a credit card, maybe you need some cash to pay some debt, and you've been wondering, which credit cards you could go for, which you could apply for, maybe possibly some banks you can make inquiry about, and they could actually approve you for a credit card. If this is your concern, then today that is what we're going to be discussing in this video tutorial. My name is Maverick, and today let's talk about the beginner credit cards for Australians. Now I'm going to start from the least to the first, so you want to stick right there with me so that we can go ahead on this journey together. I'm going to be talking about the 7 best credit cards for Aussies. The number 7 on the list is the CommBank Neo card, which is best for occasional users. Now the CommBank Neo credit card is a no interest rate credit card with no hidden charges, and it is well suited for Australians who are looking for credit cards that they can plan on using maybe during emergencies. Even if used regularly, the fees of the CommNeoBank credit card are monthly and remains low. Okay, so that is what I like about this credit card, and also the fact that they are not charged if you pay the monthly bills on your credit card on time. Now, since the maximum credit limit of the CommNeo credit card is only $3,000, yes, you won't be able to exceed that. You only have $3,000 as the maximum credit limit, and also a minimum of $1,000 maximum credit limit. So you have 3 choices, as you can see: $1,000, $2,000, or $3,000. So if you're the kind of person maybe you would like to go more higher than $3,000, then you might want to consider some other credit cards that I'm going to discuss in this video. Now, some of the pros of this credit card is that there is no interest rate, which is very good, and also no monthly fees if the balance is paid off. If you pay off your balance, you don't have any monthly fee. And also you can use this card internationally. So that one is a very good one right there. Although the only problem that I see is the maximum credit limit is $3,000, which is kind of too poor for those that might want to make more huge purchases online. And the fact that there is no balance transfers available and there is no cashback is also what you might not want to consider this for. So if you're looking for a credit card that has a cashback, then the CommNeo card is not for you. However, if you don't care about cashback and you don't care about balance transfers available, and also your spending limit is something around $3,000 and below, then this is a very good card that you might want to consider. Now let's go to the number 6 on the list, which is the St. George Vertigo credit card, which is a cashback offer. Now, if you're the kind of person that you're looking for a credit card where you can get cashback, which the CommBank cannot offer you, this is the credit card for you. Now you enjoy 10% cashback on up to $400 total cashback if you successfully apply and pay using your new vehicle credit card at selected supermarkets, including Woolworths, IGA, Irish Farm, and some other selected petrol outlets. You're gonna get your cashbacks easily. Also, you have a low annual fee of $55 and also up to 55 days interest free on purchases. This is a very good credit card that you might want to consider, and as you can see, you have a minimum credit limit of $500. Some of the advantage of this credit card is that the ability for you to get 10% cash back if you successfully apply and your credit card is being approved, and also paying using your new card within the 180 days for your card approval at selected retail outlets, which you also get more rewards and cash back whenever you use your new card to pay within the first 180 days at some selected retail outlets. And since it also have an affordable annual fee of $55, some credit cards go as high as $95 and above, but this credit card is $55, and you also have a low purchase rate of 13.99%. And the fact that you're also eligible to make some purchases on Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. Well, I think the only drawback that I see about this credit card is the fact that it has no balance transfer offers, and it also has no complimentary insurance cover. Aside those two, you're good to go and apply for this credit card, and you can easily start enjoying your 10% cashback on every purchase that you make and enjoy interest rate free. Let's go to the number 5 on the list, which is ANZ Frequent Flyer Platinum, which is in partnership with Qantas. The ANZ Frequent Flyer Platinum card offers card holder a complimentary Qantas Frequent Flyer membership, and you also have the ability to earn Qantas points with every transactions. Using this, your card holders are charged a steep yearly fee of $295 and a high interest rate of 20.24%. And you earn 70,000 bonus Qantas points whenever you spend $2,500 on eligible purchases in the first 3 months from approval. This card is an awesome card for you. And another thing you have to know is that if there's an additional 9 card holders with the ANZ Frequent Flyer Platinum, every additional card holders is charged $65 per annum. The advantage of this is that the complimentary Qantas frequent flyer membership gives you 70,000 bonus points introductory offers, and the ability for you to get 9 additional card holders is why I like this credit card. So that means you can bring more card holders to this credit lender. The disadvantage is the additional $65 for every card holder's fee. Well, that might not also be a problem, but it might also be an issue for some people. And also, it has a high expensive annual fee, which is that of the $295, and it has perks which are only beneficial to frequent flyers. So those are just the cons that I see concerning this credit card. However, if you're good with it, you can still go ahead and apply for this. Or you can check out more about them on their webpage, anz.com.au. Let's head straight to the number 4 on the list, which is Citi Rewards Card. This is a card best for choice of rewards. As a reward credit card, which the Citi credit card is, it's a card that does not disappoint, okay? And card holders of this card can choose to redeem their points on a wide range of items, starting from gift cards to travel, frequent flyer points, and many more. So when you use this credit card, you're certain to enjoy a lot of rewards and benefits. Also, along with the rewards, the Citi Reward Card also offers a range of complimentary insurance to its card holders, including phone insurance, international travel and purchase covers, and several other insurance benefits. You earn 25,000 bonus points after you spend $1,500 within the first 3 months of account opening with the Citi Rewards Cash Credit Card, alright, which is redeemable for $250 in gift card. And also, there is no annual fee with this credit card, which is something that I also like about it. If a reward card is what you are after, then you can go for the Citi Reward Card because it's a great choice. And as long as you are happy to pay the annual fee of $149, because that is the only drawback that might be a little bit for some other people. All right, so you have to pay a $149 annual fee later after. And you can also pay off your monthly bill in order to avoid their high interest rate. However, you can get an intro APR for 15 months on purchases and balance transfers. So that is what you have to know about the credit card. And the advantage is that the monthly cashback offers, okay, it has a monthly cashback offers, and you also enjoy a lot of reward and some complimentary insurance bonuses and rewards also. And your annual charge for the first year is free, okay? That is what you have to know. The annual charge for the first year, or probably the first 15 months, is kind of free. Then after that, you have to be paying as high as $149 annual fee. All right. The only drawback about this is that it requires $90 fee for additional card holder. So in case you want to get an additional card holder, you have to pay $90 for that, and the interest rate is kind of very high. Okay, you can see it has 21.49% interest rate. It's kind of very high. That is the major drawback, but I think it's because of the bonuses and also several rewards that they've offered you, and the fact that you're also paying $149 annual fee after the first year. So in case after the first year, you have to start paying $149 rather, not 49, $149 after the first year, which is free for you. So that is about the Citi Reward Card, which you've learned about. Now let's go to the number 3 on the list, which is the HSBC Platinum Credit Card. This is a Platinum Credit Card with 0% balance transfer offer. Yeah, I mean, transfer non-HSBC store or credit card debt. Now you enjoy 0% on balance transfer for 12 months with a 2% balance transfer fee. And you also pay a reduced annual fee of $29 in the first year and $129 thereafter. You also have some insurance bonuses which you're gonna enjoy, such as domestic and international travel insurance, purchase protection, and extended warranty. This card is something you can consider, and it's a very palatable one which you can apply for. And some of the things you have to know is that it has a reduced fee of $29 in the first year, although you will have to pay $129 thereafter. And you also enjoy 0% on balance transfer for the first 12 months from non-HSBC credit card, something like a revert to the variable cash advance rate, okay, with a 2% balance transfer fee. And you also earn rewards plus points, okay. If you spend $1, you earn 2 reward plus points on overseas eligible purchases, and you have 1 reward plus points per $1 for all other eligible purchases. However, you're being capped at 10,000 per statement period, okay. So that is what you have to know. And also the complimentary domestic and international travel insurance for trips up to 4 months is also what you enjoy with rental vehicle excess insurance. So you enjoy several insurance benefits with this HSBC credit card. Okay, and there is also this aspect of the epidemic and pandemic covers. So in case there is any pandemic, you also enjoy extra insurance cover, although those ones is just once in a while benefit. All right, and you also get transit accident insurance. So there's several insurance. I think these guys try as much as possible to cover health insurance in their benefit, and also complimentary purchase protection and extended warranty. Okay, another benefit is that you get 2 complimentary airport lounge passes every year with lounge key. Going to their website hsbc.co.in, you'll be able to get details about all this. And the fact that you also have access to HSBC instant savings with 20% off dining and retail savings of up to 25% with free membership to frequent value by entertainment publication. All right, so that is not all. You also have access to exclusive offers and privileges from 27,000 selected partners at home and overseas with home and away privilege program. You also have access to free additional card holders. So those are the things that you have to know. And let's talk about the con of these, like the bad aspect of this, which is not as too bad. However, is that your point is being capped at 10,000 per statement period, which might be too low for some card holders. So if you want something more, you might want to go consider some other credit card. And the high standard purchase rate, like all reward credit cards. And the 3% foreign transaction fee might be a little bit higher compared to 1% and 2% for others. And there are some credit cards out there that they even have free foreign transaction fee. But with this card, you have to pay 3% for all your transaction fee. So that is it about the HSBC Visa Platinum credit card. And let's go to the number 2 on the list, which is a NAB or NAB straight up credit card. This is best for those that don't want any interest. Okay, so if you don't want any interest in your credit purchases whenever you use the credit card, then you might want to consider this credit card. That is why I place it at number 2, because it's offering a 0% interest rate and no fees on international purchases. And also the card is a great choice for those who are looking for a no hassle options. So if you're the kind of person, because if you look at all those credit cards out there, the interest rate might be kind of high, but with this credit card, this NAB straight up credit card, you don't have to pay any interest fee on purchases. All right, so rather than charging an annual fee, this credit card holders are charged a monthly fee depending on their credit limits. Okay, so the minimum credit limit is $1,000 and you pay $10 as a monthly fee. So that is one thing about this card. They only charge you a monthly fee and not a annual fee. So a credit limit of $2,000 incurs a monthly fee of $15, while a $3,000 credit limit incurs a $20 monthly fee. So if your credit limit is $1,000, your monthly fee is only $10. If your credit limit is $2,000, your monthly fee is $15. And if your credit limit is $3,000, your monthly fee is $20. However, if you're a card holder and you have an outstanding balance of $0 during the whole statement period, then your monthly fee will be reversed. Okay, so you don't have to pay any monthly fee for that. All right, so that is it about this NAB straight up credit card or NAB straight up credit card. And it has some pros, which is 0% interest rate, so you're paying 0% interest rate, just like I've said, and no monthly fee if the card isn't used. So don't freak about maybe you're wondering, okay, your credit limit is $1,000, and what if you don't even use the card for a whole month? Then you don't have to bother, because you are not going to be charged any monthly fee. All right, you are only getting charged whenever you use the card to make purchases. And also you enjoy free international purchases, so meaning if you're out of the country, in some other country, you enjoy purchases without any additional fee. The only drawback about this is that you have been limited to $3,000 credit limit, and the list is $1,000 credit limit. So if you want a credit card that can offer you a higher credit limit, you might want to consider several other options that we've talked about in this video, and possibly maybe the number 1 option, which I'm going to be talking next. And another one is that there is no reward. You're not going to be enjoying any reward with this credit card. This is a credit card for those that don't want any interest rate for them. So if you are the kind of person that you like reward, then this is not a credit card you want to consider. And the low maximum credit limit is also what I don't go for, so since you're only limited to $3,000 in the credit limit. As you can see, there is no cashback, there is no additional card holder, and also several other rewards are not here. But however, it's a very good credit card for those that they want to spend more and build a very good credit record. This is a very good credit card if you're a card holder that maybe have a low credit score, or your credit score is kind of low. You can use this to build a good credit score, because you might decide not to make purchases with the card and you're not going to be charged. And also, since the monthly fee is being capped at a stated price, it makes it more easier for you to just pay your fee without any problem. So that is it about this straight up credit card. Now let's go to the number one on the list, which is the American Express low rate credit card. Now with this credit card, it is designed to help card holders to save money. And American Express low rate credit card offers an ongoing $0 annual fee and a low interest rate of 10.99% on purchases. So this is the number one on the list, and it's a very good one because you enjoy $0 annual fee, and the interest rate is very low as 10.99% on purchases, compared to several other cards that might be charging you 21.99 or probably even a little more. And also you enjoy an interest-free period of up to 55 days and shop with retail protection in form of insurance, such as card purchase cover, card refund cover, and fraud protection guarantee. And you can also add up to 4 additional credit cards at no extra cost. So you can see why I decided to add this as the number one, because it's the best that you can go for. All right, now advantage of this is that there is no annual fee, and the low interest rate of 10.99% on purchases is something outstanding among several credit cards out there for Australians. And you also enjoy up to 55 days interest free on purchases, same as the 4 additional credit cards that you can add to your card record. And you can use this to build a very good credit score and a very good credit record if you are able to pay your debt on time. And you can pay off your credit card balance in equal monthly installments with 0% interest and a fixed monthly fee. So if you want to pay a fixed monthly fee, you can decide to select it, or based on interest rate. All right, so that is how this works. The only drawback about this is that there is no balance transfer offer. Okay, so you cannot do any balance transfer. Maybe decide to move your credit record, or maybe move your credit history from another credit issuer to this credit issuer. That is not allowed, so there is no balance transfer offer. But however, it's still an outstanding credit card that you can use to build up your credit score and have a very good credit history. These are my 7 best credit card for Australians. So if you're an Aussie, you can go ahead and choose any one of these credit cards, or possibly the number one, and you can use it to build a very good credit score. I hope this video has been helpful. If it is, kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new credit card tutorials. And also, if you've maybe used a credit card before, which is good for beginner Australians to build up their credit score, you can decide to let us know in the comment box also, and it can help other people to make a good decision. Thank you very much for your time. I'm gonna see you in some other video tutorials. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.